The expert witness bill that I've been sponsoring and have been working on the last couple of years is an important part of our litigation to make it fair here in Missouri. The expert standard that I've proposed is a standard that's used in all federal courts, including the federal courts here in Missouri, and then in the vast majority of states. More than 2/3 of the states have this standard. It's called the Daubert standard after a Supreme Court case, and it provides guidelines for a trial judge, to be able to determine that someone that's being offered to present expert evidence is, first of all, an expert in that field, and secondly, that the testimony that he or she is providing is based upon reliable facts and data and is relevant to the case. There are cases in other jurisdictions where evidence has been let in or has been kept out underneath the Daubert standard that in Missouri that would be allowed. For instance, there's a case in the District of Columbia right now that's a case in which the plaintiff's attorneys put forth a theory that cell phones caused cancer, and the District of Columbia was using an old standard of expert admissibility called the Fry standard, and the trial judge there said that looked at all of the evidence and said, you know, this evidence that cell phones cause cancer is not scientific and has not been accepted in any of the states. However, the trial judge was constrained because of the old Fry standards, such as what we use in courts here in Missouri, and said, I have to let the evidence in, but I don't think under the new standard that would have been let in. Consequently, that case is making its way through the appeals process in the District of Columbia. But it's cases like that, and there are many other examples where junk science has been let in, and that's not fair to our juries, that's not fair to our litigants. When juries make a determination and take their job seriously to determine if the plaintiff or the defendant is right, they need to be able to trust that the evidence that they're relying on is in fact reliable.